Welcome to the course Telegram Signals Bot MT4 and MT5 Trade Copier ES. My name is Ahmed Assam and I have been trading Forex professionally for the last 10 years. 5 years back, I realized that I need to learn programming if I want to take my trading and investing skills to the next higher level. So on my own, I learned Python, C Sharp, Java, R, MQL4 and MQL5 since I trade on MT4 and MT5 a lot. I also learned machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. Learning programming is a very good hobby. Don't think it's a very difficult thing. To tell you the truth, I didn't learn programming in a few weeks or even in a few months. I took around some years, like 3 years. But I enjoyed learning programming. I used to learn a few things after every few days. And after a few months, I had developed a level of confidence that I started doing simple coding on my own. I trade more than 10 MT4 and MT5 accounts daily. It becomes very difficult for me to open and close trades on each account. If I want to close a trade immediately, it's very difficult for me to do it on each account individually. If I want to modify it, it's also not easy for me. So I decided to solve this problem. Since I had learned some programming, I decided to program my own trade copier EAs for MT4 and MT5. I had Telegram app installed on my mobile phone, so I decided to use that Telegram app and connect it with MT4 and MT5 so that I can check my trades even during the night, during the day, even I'm going, maybe I'm shopping in the market or in the evening when I'm playing tennis. So I can check my trades any time of the day or any night time in the night. This is an example of one trade on the Telegram app. Since I'm making this video on my laptop, I've also installed the Telegram software on my laptop. But as I've said, I trade from my mobile phone and Telegram app. I use the Telegram app on the mobile phone to control more than 10 MT4 and MT5 accounts. So this is one example. I want to open a buy limit pending order on Euro Yen. 60 means 60 minute, 1 hour. 1 is 1 bar. 0 means the low of this 1 bar. 3 is the magic number. We use the magic number to identify the trade later on. 2% is the risk level. Now, as you can see, this is a very simple signal. It's very easy to give. Rest of the calculations are done by each EA. And the each EA then informs me that it has opened the trade or it had failed to open the trade. So instant trader order is open, light finance order is open, instant trader buy limit, euro yen, and these are the price levels. This is the entry price, this is the stop loss, this is the take profit. So instant trader second account order is also open, light finance order is open, instant trader account is order is also open, and then the surge trader order failed with error 4756. Surge trader buy limit method failed, return code. So these are the messages from the EAs. Each EA is informing me individually that what action it has taken. Now I want to modify the position. Modify a position. Now the trade is open. Modify position 0 yen. 3 is the magic number. I want to move the stop loss 10 pips above to break even, and the take profit, I want to add 100 pips to the take profit level. So it will become 210 pips. So once I give this signal, it started informs me that it has modified the price levels and it is $27 in profit. Light Finance informs me that it has modified the buy position and it is $381 in profit. And Insta Trader buy this also informs that it is $27 in profit. So this was a brief introduction on the Telegram app. If you haven't put it before, don't worry at all. Learning programming is not very difficult. You just need a high school level of education, and with some effort in a few weeks or in a few months, you will see that your level of confidence will increase. I will make learning programming very easy for you in this course. We will start from the very basics. I'll take you by hand and I'll first teach you how you are going to code the trade copier EA for MT4 and MQL5. Once you have learned MQL4, then in section 5, we are going to code trade copier EA for MT5 and MQL5. MQL4 is used for programming on MT4 and MQL5 is used for programming on MT5. Both languages have some similarities and they have some differences. So don't worry at all. I'll make everything easy for you and I hope you'll enjoy this course and this course will be fun for you. And after this course, I'm confident your level of programming in MQL4 and MQL5 will be of such a level that you will be able to code your own EAs.